Hey, in this video, I will show you how to fix the Instagram can't get security code or OTP. It's something that you can get fixed on any iPhone and on any Android device. So if you appreciate me making a video just like this, please give me a like for the YouTube algorithm. Subscribe if you're new, and hey, if you have any questions whatsoever, let me know in the comment section down below. The first thing you want to do is go over to settings and go down to phone, and you want to make sure you're not blocking someone here. There's a block contact section. You want to make sure you're not blocking Instagram's phone number. Another thing is going to messages. Make sure that iMessage is on, and when you go down, you want to have filter unknown senders. This is off because Instagram will be an unknown sender. If you have it on, you won't have their messages. Another thing is swiping up and just disabling do not disturb mode. With do not disturb mode on, you won't get messages, basically, notifications for messages. Another thing is just waiting it out. After 2 or 3 hours, it should be better. This has happened to a lot of people, and they will get it fixed. If this video helped you out, give me a like. I want to see you next one. Bye.